Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to build the logistic regression in Gretl. So first go to File, open Data User File to import the data file here. So remember where did you download it and save your file. And after that, be sure to select all files here. Then this is our dataset file. So double click on this CSV file, click on no, we don't need any time series here. And also close this window. And you'll see that Gretl's already identified your variables, the constant and the other variables. So because we have gender and gender is either female or male, we need to add these two dummy variables to our model. So for that reason, we need to go to add, select dummies for discrete variable, and we need to encode all values. Click on OK. Once you did that, you will see the plus sign nearby gender. Click on it, you will see that we have two dummy variables. Let's change the name to be more intuitive. So click on the first dummy variable, right click and edit attributes, and let's give this variable F because this is the female. Capital F. Check this box, confirm, go to the next one. And the other variable is male. Type M for female, check the box and click on OK. And here we go. We have now F for female and M for male. So let's now go and create the model. Click on the model, and this time we are not going to select ordinary least squares because this is not a linear regression, this is a logistic regression. And to do that, we need to go and select limited dependent variable. And we got here several options. We need to go to logit for logistic because our scenario here, we are going to get an event, either 1 or 0. So this is binary. If we got something different, for example, got something like an order categorical variable, which is bad, good, excellent, we supposed to select order. So that's why we are selecting binary. And let's now start adding the variables. By the product is our dependent variable. Click on this blue arrow and set as default. And let's now start adding the independent variables one by one. Starting with age, second one, income, and third one, gender. We already replaced gender by female and male. So you are free to select one of them. I will select female here, add the female, because as we keep saying that for dummy variables, we need to select n-1, which is 2 minus 1 equal 1. Because the one that we added here, that means we are adding the influence or the effect of this dummy variable. And the absence of this variable means we have the effect of the other one. And be sure to select show p-values to see the p-values. Click on it and click on OK. And here we go, we created our logistic regression. And we see here that we have 3 significant variables: age, income, and female. All of them are significant. When we say female is significant, that means in the same time male is significant. That's why we don't add both of them. Because the female is significant, that means when the female is here, this product, because now it's in minus. So when the customer is a female, there is high probability that this customer will not buy. In other words, the male customer will buy. And I will show you when I replace female with male, and you will see that this minus sign will be converted to plus sign, because that means male customers are more likely to buy the product. And let's now look at our adjusted R-square here, which is 60%, 60%, 9, so almost is 61%, which is very good adjusted R-square. And let's have a look at our confusion matrix. Our confusion matrix here, number of cases correctly predicted, is 93%, which is very good model. We got 93% correct predictions. So if we look at the confusion matrix here, we'll see that our model predicted 49 plus 44 correct predictions and only 7 incorrect predictions. So this is very good model. Let's go now and interpret the coefficients. When you look at this minus here, 0, 1, 1, 1, that means when the age Minus mean the relationship between this independent variable and the dependent variable is negative. In other words, when we got a higher age, the customer is not likely to buy the product. And when the age decrease, the customer will be more likely to buy the product. So this is an opposite relationship. We have here a negative relationship. While the income here is positive, that means when the income increase, that customer is more likely to buy the product. But if you look here at the coefficient is very small, it's not that much. Now I will create another model with male. So if you want to add male, you should remove the female. You cannot add both of them. So let's now go to the model and go to the limited dependent variable logit and select binary. And this time we need to remove female independent variable and we need to add male. Add male, click on OK, and have a look this time at the coefficient. You will find this coefficient this time with plus. So that means the relationship between this independent variable and the dependent variable which is buying the product is positive. In other words, when a customer is male, is more likely to buy the product. So the relationship here is positive. An increase in this value will increase the probability for that customer to buy.